Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to install programs on Windows 10. There's two different methods to do it. Now let's get started with the first method. Go to search box and write down Control Panel. Now click to select Control Panel. Make sure category is selected here, and from the program menu, go to Install a Program. To install a program, select it from the list and then click Install. Example, I want to install Driver Talent program. So, double click on it and click Yes to install. Now, let me show you the second method. Go to Start menu. Click on Settings. Now go to Apps and Features. From the search menu, you can search for an application or program by name. To install a program or apps, left click on it and click on Install. My work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.